Hi, welcome to CrochetJewel Channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this cute crochet granny cardigan, and I made it with a J hook and I made it with medium worsted yarn. The pattern is down below, and if you are a beginner, there's a beginner stitch playlist and you can place this in slow motion. There's a link on how to do that below too. This is one size fits all. You can keep making rounds to make it bigger. I'm going to show you step by step how to make this. 2 panels, and then I did slip stitch it together, which I'll show you. Okay, so let's get started. I am using this Karen cinnamon swirl cakes, and this one is the latte. To get started, I'm going to do the magic ring. If this is your first time, there is a link on how to do that. I just wrap it around my fingers, take my hook and grab the yarn. I'm going to do a chain 2 to start, so yarn over and pull through 2. And then I'm going to work 2 double crochet into the ring, so yarn over, insert my hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Chain 2, and then work 3 double crochet. And then chain 2, and you have these 2 sets here. You're going to do 4 more sets with the chain 2, so 3 double crochet again. And then chain 2. And then repeat. Then you're going to pull it closed and slip stitch, not into the chain 2, but that first stitch you're going to slip stitch. Okay, so you're going to chain 2 and turn your work. In this chain space, you're going to work 2 double crochet. And then chain 2, and then 3 double crochet. You're going to go in the next space and work 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. There is no chain space here. So go into the space, work your 3 double crochet. Chain 2, and then 3 double crochet. And then in the next space and all the other spaces, you'll do the same 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Chain 2, And then just repeat that around in each of the next spaces here, your chain 2 spaces, until you get back to the beginning. Okay, so back at the beginning, go into the first stitch, not the chain 2, but the first stitch, slip stitch, and then you're going to chain 2 and turn. And this is a gap space. It doesn't have any chains in it, so you'll just do 2 double crochet, and then in the chain space you'll do the 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So chain 2, 3 double crochet, then in this gap space just work 3 double crochet, and that is the pattern around. Now into this chain space you're going to work 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the chain space, now you're going to work your 3 double crochet in the space, okay, so this is the repeat, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and then 3 double crochet. Repeat that all the way around until you get back to the beginning. If you want to make this into a cardigan for yourself, you can do this up to 22 to 23 rounds. When I did 22 rounds, it came up to about here. If you did 23, it would come down to here. It's up to you on how you want to do it. This just gradually gets bigger. You do a chain 2 and then turn your work. And this is all repeat. Just do a 2 double crochet. And then you're going to work 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Chain 2, 3 double crochet. Then in each space, you're going to work 3 double crochet, and this is how it gets bigger. It's just expanding with more of these gap spaces. You're going to add 3 double crochet. So you go into the next gap space and work your 3 double crochet. And each round you're going to have more gap spaces, and that's how it will make it bigger. Then in this space here, work your 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Your chain 2, 3 double crochet. And then you're just going to repeat 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and then just repeat until you get back to the beginning. For each round it will expand, so you're going to keep having these gap spaces here, and then your corners, and every round it will get bigger and bigger, but just make sure you're doing your 3 double crochet in each gap space, and then when you get to a corner, then you make sure that you are doing your 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet until you get back to the beginning. So I went around for 22 rounds. You can do 23 rounds. It will take you to your wrist. And each gap gets the 3 double crochet, and then when you get to the corner, you get the 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and it just keeps getting bigger and bigger, and you need to make 2 of these. Take all of your loose ends and you're going to weave them in about 3 times to secure them. Take that and then just cut the yarn. You went into the stitch here to slip stitch, and you just need to fasten off, so pull through, yarn over, take this yarn here and weave in your ends, and then it will be complete, and then we can sew the 2 panels together. Okay, so I made 2 of these and then I folded them to look like this. So they're side by side panels, and you're going to need to connect the back here and leave this open, and then connect these 2 tops together and then this together and connect this, and then it will turn into a cardigan, and we can do a half double crochet or a double crochet around for a border. So this is the back seam of this cardigan, and you're going to take these 2 ends together, and then this is the front of the cardigan, but you need to leave it open, it won't be attached. So you're going to take the back loop and the front loop, and you're going to slip stitch, and just keep doing that until you get to the end, all the way through here to the top of the cardigan. So it's going to look like this. You're going to have it go all the way up to the very top of this cardigan. Okay, so this got sewn all the way up. This is the back, and then the arms are right here. You're going to sew with a slip stitch from here all the way to the arm into that back loop. So front loop, back loop, create a slip stitch. You're going to do that across until you get to the end. So you're going to take that all the way down to the end of the arm right here, slip stitch it on both sides. You're at the end of the sleeve here, so you're just going to yarn over and pull through, and then you can weave in your ends. Now you can attach your yarn right here on the opposite side, and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to go into the front loop and this back loop and create a slip stitch. You're going to work the slip stitches all the way down until you get to the end of the sleeve. So on each arm and in the front here, where you have the front part of the cardigan, you can attach some yarn and do a half double crochet around and a half double crochet in the front here and around the edge if you want to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. So anywhere on here you can just attach your yarn. I'm going to create a chain 2, half double crochet in each stitch. So I'm just going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So yarn over, go into the stitch, yarn over, grab the yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. I'm going to do this around every edge, so around the arms, it will create a half double crochet. If you want to do a couple of rounds of this, or just one round, or just single crochet around, that's fine. And then when I get to the edge, I'm going to do it all the way here and all the way down the edge too. And for this sleeve here, once you're done, if you want to do more rounds, you can do a chain 2, you can do half double crochets again, it's up to you. I'm just going to stop here with a slip stitch. You can yarn over, pull through, take your yarn needle and weave in your ends. You're going to do it to the other sleeve as well if you want to add a border. This is the opening of the cardigan. I'm going to go ahead and slip stitch into it for another border. You can start up here, do a chain 2, and then you can work your half double crochets. Then in each stitch you're going to work a half double crochet going down and around and back up the part of the cardigan to the top. So take this, go all the way down, all the way around, and then go back up the other side of the cardigan. And when you get to the corner here, I'm just putting one half double crochet in there, and then a half double crochet in each stitch. Half double crochet right here, and then just work that all the way around the border. Okay, so I went back up to the other side of this cardigan, and I'm at the very top here. I'm just going to slip stitch to fasten off. And then you just need to weave in your ends. So I did the border on this side, the border on the other side, and the border around the sleeves and the bottom here. I just went all the way around. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this crochet granny cardigan. The pattern is down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.